Item Ref. Everything reviewed.
Hi guys, welcome to the Item Ref, and today we have for the unpacking is we got a package, and here is the package. Alright, so we have this tabletop tripod for phone, desktop tripod, yada yada yada. Well, it's a tripod with converter and a smartphone holder. And let's see what do we have here. We had like 5 reviews only, and product images. It says it's mini, lightweight, action camera, DSLR, smartphones, DSLR. That's only the smartphone. Like that. A selfie, yada yada yada. So actually I ordered 3 elements, as this item like have a few options. It's just a tripod for action cam, and that's with a conversion and holder for a smartphone, and that's the one that I have ordered. And this one just with a smartphone holder. So yeah, should be like so, with this thingy converter, and that's it. Okay, so let's see for the reviews. Okay, so it says good quality, good material, as described, recommended, arrived fast. Okay, the other one, there is good images for the item. Received in perfect condition. Material very nice. See more. Another one image. What else? It's the original message. Well packed, black. Good one. Not bad for the money. Quality is fine. Make sure you know that in standing position it's not more than 10 centimeters only. So it's pretty much small, which is a kind of surprise for me. Okay, because it looks like much bigger. Alright, so here's our package. So let's open it up. Also looks, everything is fine, came in perfect condition. Here is the contents. All right. Here's all 3 elements. So let's start from the tripod itself. Okay, it was opened before me. Oh, actually, the height is fine. No rubber here, just plastic, and that's not good. Rubber is much better. wouldn't slip off this the table. Otherwise, you can just slip off. So I think you should have to make sure you find something here. All right. Let's see. Yeah, the quality is okay. Not too cheap, not too expensive. I have to say that I have paid for it less than $2. Well, this smelly plastic. This feels like more cheaper than these other guys, but not bad. So actually you can fit it this way, so the phone will be like A. You can shoot the sky, or you can turn it this way, maybe like that, maybe like so, and you can hold your phone, or maybe like this, or like this, or like that. Yeah, so I mean, the fact that we actually have here, we have a hole here, that's a good thing. Also, from this side, I guess a regular position for it. Okay, let's take a smartphone, put it here, just in case. All right. So it holds a smartphone without any issue. Even when the smartphone right on the side, it holds it without issues. Well, if I will move it like that, so you have to have a leg in front of the smartphone if you want to put it this way, but it's possible. This smartphone like that and watch a movie sitting at the table. Yeah, very nice, useful thing, I think. All right, I guess that should be it. It's not like super cool quality, but hey, for under $2, what we want to have. But the quality is fine, absolutely fine. Nothing fancy, but it's all fine. I guess this thing is for DSLR as well. Or maybe that just holds like a light. You can put smartphone and on top of it external light. It's like put you on DSLR. Yeah, so I guess that's it. So pretty nice item, worth to buy. No worries to find. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We will have much more videos like this.
Item Rev. Everything reviewed.